It doesn't it?
It shoots, man.
Right guys, welcome back to the channel again today. Today we've got Chris back again.
What's happening, guys?
Hey.
Once again.
Today we've got his Astro in. You remember the old bad boy? This is the one that I built for Chris. It is now running 402 brake. Yeah, 402 brake. And I don't know if you remember, we done a little feature of his car. I think it was beginning of a couple of years ago, wasn't it, when it was built, basically.
Yeah, feels like it was the other day.
It does, doesn't it? Yeah. You noticed that we didn't have big brakes on it.
Sure. So currently still got standard brake set up.
Okay.
Obviously, that will be on the to-do list right at the top.
So, guys, today, as you can tell by the thumbnail, we've got a nice pair of K-Sports. There's the disc. There's the K-Sport brakes, 8 pots, some nice little ones there. Isn't it? So yeah. Today, Chris is just in for the intro. He's not. He's got to pop off soon, but we're going to try and get these fitted to his car. Just give it a good old once going over, because Chris is actually entered in for the race wars in May. So he's gonna need a bit of stopping power. So yeah, isn't it, Chris? So
I'm looking forward to it.
You are, isn't it? Yeah. So
yeah, I'm excited, mate.
I know. Yeah. I'm quite excited as well, actually, to see what this can do. So yeah. We're gonna get the car. Well, it's on the ramp, as you can see. You can see that. We are gonna get it up in the air, get the front wheels off, start taking the brakes off, and get these bad boys fitted up.
I know I've been quiet for a minute, I've been grinding, still in it, I've been counting these digits. Excuse me, I know I've been quiet for a minute, but I'm back on my business. If you see me, don't trip, just excuse me. Wrong if I do, wrong if I don't. That's why I do me no matter what, so excuse me. Lie if I do, lie if I don't. The proof is in the story, take a seat and excuse me. The crash came when the cash came. Spend it before you get it, like those rookies all on draft day. For the love like it's match game. Hit the ground running, really do it for my last name. They act different when the facts change. I'm not with the tip for tag games. In my own league, I don't chase.
Got the first one on the passenger side. I've got to bleed this side now, and I've got to go on and do the other side, but I'm going to bleed them afterwards. But don't forget, guys, as well, they got twin nipples on them. They're not like the standard brakes with one. You got one on the inside here. You got to bleed this one first, and then come out to this one here and bleed this one afterwards. That's the procedure of doing them. That's the left one with the rotation going that way, as you can see. They look pretty cool, I think. Right, now what I'm going to do is go on to this driver's side, get this wheel off, get the caliper off, get the disc off, get the other one all fitted up, and then start getting the other ones on, and then get it all bled out.
I know I've been quiet for a minute, I've been grinding, still in it, I've been counting these digits. Excuse me, I know I've been quiet for a minute, but I'm back on my business. If you see me, don't trip, just excuse me. Wrong if I do, wrong if I don't. That's why I do me no matter what, so excuse me. Lie if I do, lie if I don't. The proof is in the story, take a seat and excuse me. The crash came when the cash came. Spend it before you get it, like those rookies all on draft day. For the love like it's match game. Hit the ground running, really do it for my last name. They act different when the facts change.
Now everything's all done, bolted up. Just quickly do a show. This side and that side. Right, now I've put the brake bleeder on. I've done it to about 10 psi. As you can see, there's no leaks or anything. Right, what I'm going to do now is bring it up and start doing the bleeding from the inside outwards, one furthest from the brake servo. So obviously this would be the brake servo here. So I'm going to be starting on this side here first, on the passenger side, and then finish up with the driver's side here. So now, right, what I'm going to do is get it up in the air and start bleeding it out.
I know I've been quiet for a minute, I've been grinding, still in it, I've been counting these digits. Excuse me, I know I've been quiet for a minute, but I'm back on my business. If you see me, don't trip, just excuse me. Wrong if I do, wrong if I don't. That's why I do me no matter what, so excuse me. Lie if I do, lie if I don't. The proof is in the story, take a seat and excuse me. The crash came when the cash came. Spend it before you get it, like those rookies all on draft day. For the love like it's match game. Hit the ground running, really do it for my last name. They act different when the facts change. I'm not with the tip for tat games. In my own league, I don't chase game. In my own league, I don't hang with lanes. I know I've been quiet for a minute, I've been grinding, still in it, I've been counting these digits. Excuse me, I know I've been quiet for a minute, but I'm back on.
Everything's all done, all bled out, wheels back on. Look at them in there, man. They look really nice, don't they? It's a shame it weren't like green or anything, because that would set it right off, wouldn't it? So, right, everything's all done. So, right, the next stage is going to wait for Chris to come and pick up the car, and then we're going to do a little of the car with the brakes and see Chris's reaction with them. So, right, guys, catch you in a minute. Now we're back in the car with Chris. I've let him take control, and yeah, hope you enjoy the rest of this video.
The brakes are fire, guys. Not gonna lie.
They are, aren't they?
Oh, they have, yeah.
We have had a couple of issues. When I say issues, when we first started running it, we had a little backing plate at the bottom of the ball joint touching the disc, and it was making a noise, but we've corrected that all now, so that's all sorted out.
So as I was telling you earlier on, the brakes just, oh, dude, it's literally chalk and cheese when it comes to these brakes. I'm not gonna lie.
It is, isn't it?
Well, what parts are the other brakes? Two.
Yeah, one pot. Yeah, one pot.
One piston. Wow, they're crazy. Look at that. Oh,
yeah, I know it does, doesn't it? It does pull you.
Wow. And also, like, yeah, these conditions, obviously, we're in winter now, so we're not in the best conditions. The wheels are already from summer, so we've got well, some smoothness on the inside of the wheels, but yeah. The tires don't know what to do with these brakes. They don't. No. The tires are just like, well, I'm just gonna be here. Yeah, and yeah, the ABS shits itself because it knows what it's asking for.
Good brakes,
man, oh, this is nuts, dude.
Yeah,
this is absolutely epic. I didn't actually, because the first time I ever experienced the 8 pots was actually in your car.
Yeah.
But I wasn't driving, I was a passenger.
Yeah.
And the way that this car went through, he did a small burst of speed and he just pressed the brakes, and I think I had to go see a doctor after that.
Get your whiplash, isn't it?
Somebody call 911. Yeah. It's just the effort as well that you need to just put your, I can just use my big toe and just rest it on the brake, and it just will, do what it needs to do.
Yeah, even the little stops, isn't it? It's like vicious sort of thing.
It's night and day.
It is, isn't it?
It's night and day. Yeah. The standard brakes in the VXR, if you're doing speeds of
60 mile an hour.
Yeah, 70 mile. Like, you can't go any faster than that, guys. As you know. But yeah, you get to like top speeds of 70. You sort of don't feel like it's reliable enough. You really got to bang your foot in there to yeah. Now I'll have the confidence.
Yeah, you will, won't you?
Just need one more piece to the puzzle, and then I'll go to like the Nürburgring or something. Just need that rear anti-roll bar now.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. I remember in the feature video.
Yeah.
You're like, what's the next thing? And I was like, probably need brakes.
Yeah.
Probably need brakes.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think some of the new subscribers probably haven't seen that video, but yeah, but like I say the other day, we're going to have another feature soon, isn't we?
Yeah.
It's got to be another feature soon, because it's come a long way since then.
Yeah, and we'll also, wait, listen. Wasn't us. Who made that noise? Eh? That car that went past me.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
My car doesn't make that. It must have been an electric car that made that bang.
Yeah. Short circuiting.
I hear shots.
I thought my recovery truck was behind me then. The old Astro truck.
Oh, feel those brakes.
God. That goes all right, isn't it? It doesn't it?
Shoots, mate. Wow. Oh man. Yeah, the tires and the road is just like, okay.
Yeah.
Is it just enough grip?
Yeah.
Wow. How was that?
Nice little exit.
Let the car cool now.
Yeah.
Let it cool down a bit.
But yeah, so there you have it, guys.
Wow.
All brakes fitted, tested.
Excuse the excitement.
I know, but it is what it is. It's like that when you get something that makes a difference, and you can see the difference. It's not just like a cosmetic thing where it's just fitted and that, and it just looks good. It's actually like
performance purpose, you know.
Yeah. But anyway, guys, we're going to end the video there. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit us up in the comments. Let us know if you want to see another feature on Chris's car for all the newbies and that. There is going to be a couple of more features this year as well. But yeah, guys, I'll leave it on there and catch you on the next one. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Catch you soon.
See you later, guys.
Cheers.